Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So finally got the first part of my GoPro Hero 8 Black upgrade. I bought this from GoPro directly, obviously. They sell it directly. This is the media mod. So you need this mod in order to upgrade your GoPro Hero 8 Black. So this one adds external mic option, you know, with the 3.5mm port, HDMI out, and Type-C port. And it also gives you a microphone setup, kind of like a Yeti, where you can switch from front and back. And I'll show you that here in a second. Let's get this cracked open here. Alright. I've been waiting on this to come out for so long. Finally they bring it out, you know what I'm saying, and they sell out. So here it is. You get some manuals and paperwork and everything, you know, instructions on how to use it, how to set it up, what you need to do. I'll show you that in this video though, and then we'll test it out too. So these right here, folks, are you totally need these, man. You can never have enough of these little brackets right here. So you get these, keep them, folks. You keep them, save them up. All right, so that's everything in here, looks like. So now you put this, you got to remove your door to your GoPro. You remove your door and you put your GoPro in there, and then you'll have access to everything like normal. So let's go here. Let's remove my door. If you don't know, the doors just snap right off, and then you'll put this in like this. It just lines right up, and then it snaps right on. That's it. And so now I can actually charge from the back here. I don't have to undo the battery to get it to. I have to undo the battery. I don't have to take this out just to charge it. You know what I'm saying? So I can just plug right into here. So let's power it on here. So you get your power button on this side. And obviously you have the microphone there, and your 3.5 here. These little brackets right here are for the other mods. So I think the messed up part is, you know, basically what they're doing is they're selling you this mod. These cost $80 a pop. This thing costs 80 bucks, and then the flash costs 50, I think, and then the screen, which is what I'm getting next whenever it's available, it's not even on pre-order yet. It's supposed to be February. They keep pushing it back, but I'm gonna get the flip-up screen next. That's why I want this media mod with the microphone, so I could really enhance my video qualities with my GoPro, because I actually use this on the tech channel and the car channel. So let's power it on here. Now you might get you're supposed to get a pop-up or something. Boom, media mod connected. This lets you know right here that it's connected. Tap to view settings and see your new microphone options. So you do that, and then it should take you to your settings. If not, I'm just going to go to the settings. All right, now that it's set on and you got it in there, you can tap here, and you can go to edit, and you scroll down, and you see how it says mics. It's on front. You select it here. So you go to back. That means this microphone turns on. So I'm shooting a video. The microphone will be turned on like that. And then I go to stereo when wind is not a factor. So I'm going to put it on stereo for now, because I'm going to show you what it sounds like up here if I was doing a video or something like that in the office. This is what stereo will sound like for you guys, man. So now I'm going to go ahead and go to this camera, and we're going to put it up on the tripod, and I'm going to just shoot some video right now. All right, guys, this is just the camera setup right here in my office. If I was doing a video, and this recording is in stereo. So this is what the GoPro sounds like with the stereo setting. Now I'm going to switch to the setting for back. Let's get it. Now this is the audio coming from the back of the GoPro microphone, the single microphone in the back. This is what it sounds like to do recordings of this setting with the back microphone. Now let's switch to the front microphone. Now, if I was going to record a video with the front microphone, this is how it would sound. Now I'm going to show you what this thing sounds like with the microphones built right into the GoPro. Let's check that out. Now, here's the GoPro with just off of the media mod. Here's the media mod. So I took it off. This is what the sound is like. Now here's a sample of the microphone plugged into the device, and it's pretty simple. Just plug it in and go into input, standard plus mic, and you're all done. All right, guys, so final conclusion here. The media mod is nice, but I don't think it adds this. It's not groundbreaking at all, man. So I don't think I would recommend this at this point, because I think it actually sounds better when you plug in an external mic or just use the GoPro. And another thing I don't like is I have to pull this all the way out just to get my media off of the SD card directly. Or, you know, I could plug in here and plug it into the Mac, but I like to get it directly off the card, because, you know, that's just how I've been doing it. So in order to use this, you got to pull it all the way out. It's definitely not worth $80, folks. And I'm just keeping it all the way 100 with you. I purchased this, and I'll probably send this back, because the advantages to having this is the external mic, but I'm trying to make the GoPro as portable as possible. And honestly, the GoPro did fine all by itself with the audio. This microphone setup kind of dumbs it down, if you will, and makes it real tinny, which I'm not really like. I like all the tones that comes from the GoPro. So this will definitely be going back, in my opinion. It's definitely not worth $80, maybe $30 or so, because ultimately what you're getting is a better adapter to use an external mic. When I hooked up the external mic, beast mode, it was fantastic. It sounds even better than the GoPro, obviously, but you know, I think GoPro's gonna have to do better. This is definitely not worth $80, but unfortunately you have to buy this in order to use all the other mods, so that's the trick to it. But at this point in the game, I've been waiting on this for months. Now that I have it, I don't even like it. I think it's too much for the price. I mean, I'll probably send it back, to be honest. You know, I don't know at this point, but it's definitely not worth $80, and I don't think it really adds any good quality sound to the device. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.